In this video, we're going to be going over how to turn off ChatGPT memory. The first thing we need to do is select our profile in the bottom left, then select Settings, then go to Personalization. From here we can toggle ChatGPT memory on and off by clicking the switch next to Reference Saved Memories. If we're on mobile, we can simply click the three dots in the top left or swipe right, then click our profile on the bottom, then go to Personalization, then uncheck Reference Save Memories. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.